My daughter has the weirdest obsession with this dessert, and it ruined our movie night because she had to have it. It's from that movie Princess and the Frog. It's called a beignet. Let's get into it. First, we're going to drop in our water, a little bit of yeast, a little bit of salt, get that thing mixed around. Drop in our heavy cream, our vanilla, a little bit of sugar, 2 eggs, and some Crisco. Then we drop in a little bit more water and we mix that thing around. Drop in the flour till we start to see the consistency of a dough ball. Once that thing starts to turn into a dough ball, we're just gonna let it rest for about an hour, lay down our flour, then we're gonna roll out this dough and we're just gonna square those off until it's about the size of a Pop-Tart. Now we're dropping them in the fryer and boom, look at that right there. Foodstagram worthy, powdered sugar on top. And get in the comments, have you guys made this before? Have you had this? And make them before you put the movie on so you don't end up cooking the whole time like us.
Yeah, what y'all know about this bread pudding? Look at the glaze. Anyway, man, we're gonna start off with this brioche bread. Get that thing toasted real nice. Get that raisins in there with a little bit of bourbon. Mix it around something sweet. Then we dropping about a cup of that milk in there with a teaspoon of that nutmeg, a teaspoon of that cinnamon, about a cup of sugar, and 3 eggs. This is what we filling it with. This is the filling. Then we drop some cinnamon in here with a little bit of sugar. Now we getting ready to make the glaze. A little bit of that whipping heavy cream. Get that rest of that bourbon in there with some more sugar, about 2 cups, a cup of butter, and a little bit of salt. And we're gonna let that thing reduce with a little bit of brown sugar and just a little bit more cream just to make sure we did it right. But we're gonna let that thing glaze and get itself reduced. Put that bread up in there and get that filling in. The filling already look good. It ain't even cooked yet. Then we get that glaze running. And baby, look at that. We have made bread pudding. Put it in there for about 40 minutes. And check it. If y'all like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out this Christmas tree pastry puff. It was definitely a hit. Anyway, we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna put this Nutella in the center, similar to a sandwich. I'm gonna put the croissant roll over the top of it. We're gonna be able to start to form our tree. I'm gonna slice to the left and slice to the right, 2 at the bottom, and then we're just gonna form our tree here, off to the left and off to the right. Use our cookie cutter snowflakes as our star logo. We're just gonna cut that out. And then we're going to begin to create slits, which are the branches off to the left and off to the right of the pastry. And start to just twist those all the way up from the left and to the right. And then we're going to grab those snowflakes, put those at the top of the tree in the center, 350 degrees for 20 minutes, and boom, perfect appetizer. Happy holidays, you guys. And let me know if you try this one out.